Okay, children. Now we will discuss about place values. Place value. So we learned how to write 4-digit numbers. Example: a number is given like this: 4,327. Okay, a number is given like this: 4,327. How many places are there? How many places means how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So each digit is in a separate place. So they have their place values. We want to learn about them. So the last one is called as a ones place. Okay. So 7 is in which place? It is in ones place. Next, it is how much it is? 27. 20 means tens it is. 2 tens are 20. So tens. It is in tens place. Next, 300. So it is in which place? Hundreds place. Next, 4,000. So 4 is in which place? Thousands place. Okay, there are 4 different places are there in a 4-digit number. What are the places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. So these 4 numbers are in different places. That's why they have different values. That values are place values. Okay, how can we write the place value of a number? How can we write the place value means? First, you have to identify the place in which it is. Okay. For example, if you take 7, 7 is in which place? 7 is in ones place. So, what is the place value of 7 means? 7 ones. So, 7 ones are how much? 7. 7 is the place value of that. Next, 2 is in which place? Tens place. 2 is in tens place. So what is the place value of 2 means? How we can write 2 is in which place? Tens place. So 2 tens are how much? 20. 20 is the place value of 2 here. Okay. Now what is in hundreds place? In hundreds place, which one is there? 3. So what is the place value of 3 means? 3 into 100. So 300. Next, what is the place value of 4? 4 is in which place? Thousands place. So 4 place value is 4 into 1000. So 4000. These are the place values. Okay, this place value will be decided according to the place in which it is. Example, I am writing another number 1273. 1273. What is the place value of 7? What is the place value of 7 means? First write the names of places. Ones place, it is a ones place, and it is a tens place, and it is a hundreds place, and this one is a thousands place. So I asked the place value of 7. 7 is in which place? Tens place. 7 is in tens place. So what is the place value of 7? 7 into 10. 70 is the place value of 7. Okay. Like this, you can write the place value of any number. For example, if I ask the place value of 1 here, what is the place value of 1? 1 is in which place? 1 is in thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 1 is in which place? Thousands place. That's why what is the place value? 1 into 1000. 1 into 1, 1000. Okay. Like this you can write the place values. So by the place values we can able to write the second exercise problems. We can able to solve the second exercise problem. So learn the place values perfectly. How many place values are there in a 4-digit number? 4 place values. What are those? Ones place. Last one is ones place. Next tens, hundreds and thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. These four are place values. So now, if a number is given, how can we write the expand form of that number or place values of that numbers? So once again, 2765. This is the number given. Okay. What is the place value of 5? What is the place value of 5? 5 is in which place? Just write here. It is ones place. It is what? Tens place. It is hundreds place, and this is thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 5. 5 is in which place? Ones place. 5 ones. 5 ones, how much? 5 ones are 5. So the place value of 5 is 5 only. Next, what is the place value of 6? What is the place value of 6? 6 is in which place? Tens place. Which is in tens place? 6 is in tens place. So 6 tens. 6 tens are how much? 60. 60 is the place value of 6. Next, 7. 7 is in which place? 7 is in hundreds place. 7 is in hundreds place. So what is the place value of 7? 7 hundreds. Last 2. 2 is in which place? 2 is in thousands place. It is in thousands place. So what is the place value of 2? How many thousands are there? 2 thousands are there. So that's why its place value is 2000. Like this, we can write the place values of the numbers. Okay. So all of you open page number 11 in the textbook. Page number 11. Exercise number 1.2. First bit. What is the first bit in the exercise? Fill in the boxes. Fill in boxes. Fill in the boxes. Okay, first A problem is given. What is that A? 5, 1, 4, 5. How can we read this number? 5145. 5145. So there are boxes given in the problem. We have to fill that boxes. Okay, we have to fill these boxes. How can we fill? By place values. So 5 is in which place? 5 is at the end, so it is in ones place. 5 ones are how much? 5. So this is the place value of 5. Fill like that. Next, 4 is in which place? Ones, tens. So 4 is in which place? Means tens place. So 4 tens means what? 40. Next one, 1. Next what? 1 is there. 1 is in which place? Ones, tens, hundreds. So 1 is in hundreds place. How much its place value? 100. Next one, last 5. 5 is in which place? Thousands place. So what is the place value of it? 5 is in thousands place. So 5000. Like this, you have to complete it. Okay. How did I write? Just observe here. Last 5. I wrote 5 directly. Next, second one is 4. After 4, how many numbers are there? Only one number is there. So after 4, I wrote 1 0. After 1, how many numbers are there? 1 2. So after 1, I wrote 2 zeros. After 5, how many numbers? 1 2 3. So after 5, 3 zeros you have to write. They gives place values there. Okay. Next, B problem in the same bit. What is the B problem? 4263. 4263, that is the problem given, and same boxes we have to take. First, place value of 3. What is the place value of 3 here? 3 is in which place? 1's place. So 3 ones are 3. 6 is in which place? 1's 10. So 6 is in 10's place. So what is the place value of 6? 6 tens are 60. Next, 2 is in which place? 100's place. So 2 hundreds. Next, 4 is in which place? 1000's place. 1's, 10's, hundreds, thousands. So 4 is in thousands place. So what is the place value of 4? 4000. Okay. It is the second problem in the bit. Like that, every number we have to write. Okay. Observe one problem from this problem number G. G is there in the first bit. What is that? 2091. 2091. That's it. There is nothing. 0 is in hundreds place. So no need to read. 2 is in which place? 1's, 10's, hundreds, thousands. So 2 is in thousands place. That's why 2091. Okay. Fill the box in this. First, what is the place value of 1? 1 is in which place? 1 is in 1's place. So place value is how much? 1. Next, 9. 9 is in which place? 9 is in 1's 10's. So 10's place it is. 9 tens are. 9 tens are how much? 90. Next one is what? 0. 0 is in which place? 100's place. 1's, 10's, hundreds. So if 0 is there, so directly write 0 only. No need to write any place value. Next, this number. What is this? 2 is in which place? 1's, 10's, hundreds, thousands. So 2 is in thousands place. That's why what is the place value? 2000s. Like this. We have to complete the place values. Okay. After this bit, second bit is also there. What is the second bit? Complete first bit in the textbook yourself. Write down. Complete it and then start the second bit. What is second bit? Write the place values. Write the place values of the colored digit. Write the place values of colored digit. So first problem, A is given here. 3918. 8 is colored. 3918. 8 is colored here. 8 is in which place? It is in 1's place. So what is the place value of 8? 8 only. 8 ones are 8. Yeah, that's why write 8 only. Next, B. What is B? 6766. 7 is colored here. Okay, 7 is colored. So what is the place value of 7? 7 is in which place? 1's, 10's, hundreds. 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. So what is the place value of it? 700s. Okay, like that. C. What is the C bit? 2123. This 2 is colored. In which place it is? 1's, 10's place. So 2 is in tens place. 2 tens how much? 20. So the answer is 20. Like this, write the second bit also. First bit and second bit completed. Okay.